So, namaste to all. So this is the mission, and this mission is developed since 2017, and it has three parts. As you see, it has the hopper, which is having inoculant tank also, which is like continuously inoculating evenly the chopper material. You can see the chopper material here, which is having around 65 to 70% moisture, and it can simply be run with a three-phase electricity power and or a generator set if the power is not available. And you can see this hopper will hold around 3 bales worth of material. And the second port is the chamber, which is most essential for a baling part, because it is actually the compacting that is done at the compactor, that is a chamber, and which is scientifically done. We have invested around 1 year in the R&D of this machine, and you can see the alarm that is happening here, so which is essentially the pressure control mechanism, mostly automating the weight and making this entire chamber activity as consistent as possible. So once the chamber has compacted the material to a density level of 650 to 750 kg per meter cube, so once our baling is done, now you can see our internal wrapping is done and the bale is coming out. So the chamber is open and the baling is coming out. So this is the external wrapping, so which is having almost 6 layered external wrapping that is going to happen. So you can also see this weight of the bale is about 70 kg. So we have done, one is the external wrapping, which is almost automated. The number of layers is going to be fixed. Once the number of layers, that is 6 layers, once it is done, again you will get an automatic alarm. And you can see the, so once it wrapping is done, the baling, chamber and the conveyor, both are, all three operations are happening parallelly. So this is the beauty of this new machine, and the new machine has all three operations simultaneously can happen, and which makes the entrepreneur make more and more bales. So we are targeting almost 50 bales per 1 hour, so which is going to be around 25 to 30 metric tons in a day. So if an entrepreneur who is spending about 15 lakhs in a unit, the production cost is going to come down drastically. The production cost for 1 kg of silage is lowest with this machine. And you can see with this machine, if an entrepreneur purchases this machine and the set silage baling unit, so he can make silage which is around 25 to 30 metric tons, which is equal to 2,500 cattle rations in a day. So that means, as Secretary Sir rightly said, it is one group of villages or one block, one mandal, I can say, is one entrepreneur if we can envisage. So he will serve all the nearby dairy farms and the marginal and small dairy farms. So I want to tell quickly 2 important things. So this is an automatic ejection also. So it has 3 most important advantages. One is it can be run by only 2 people, and 1 person is operator, and the 1 person who can feed the material on the hopper. And the second is it can run with electricity or DG set, which is the lowest cost per kg fodder. And the third most advantage is it can do 30 tons, 25 to 30 tons, which he can reap the benefits within 1.5 to 2 years. So the break even happens from the day one, and within 1 to 2 years, his entire capital will come back to him. So it is financially viable, technically viable, and it is easy to operate. So our request to all the participants and the eminent guests today participated. So I would like to thank you very much, sir. And all the participants, I would like to request that you see this mission. We are putting all the videos in that, and all the technical, we are there to answer and help you handhold technicals and skill development. And it is very, very easy to operate mission. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Amar Garu. Thank you, Amarji. And what would be the horsepower that will be required to run this mission, Amar? Will you be able to tell?
Yeah. So I would like to add a couple of more things, technicality. So it is run by a 5 HP motor, so which is optimum for this kind of baling. So which can do about, you have seen 70 kilograms of one bale. And it is, since this is a very simple levered operation, so it requires hydraulic operation. So hydraulic motors are all fixed in this machine, and it can run with, I would like to say that the cost of electricity which is required, the input cost, the power required, is as low as 30 rupees per 1 metric ton. That is like 3 paise per kg. And since it is doing 65 to 75 kg bales, we can do 40 average, even if you take, so 25 to 30 metric tons it can give. So this machine can do 25 to 30 metric tons per day. Yeah.